Here's a video of the 2000 Home Depot ceiling fan guide. We have two more to go. We have 2001 and 2004. So yeah, let's go do it. So here's a Hampton Bay Cameron 2 Plus in Verde. Here is the Hampton Bay Reddington 2. Hampton Bay St. Clair, Hampton Bay Carriage House, Hampton Bay Carriage House, Hampton Bay Chatham, Hunter Low Profile, Hunter Rockport, Hampton Bay Littleton, Hampton Bay Huntington 2, Hunter Infinity, Hunter Vista, Hampton Bay Cameron 2 Plus, Hampton Bay Huntington 2, Hampton Bay Cameron 2 Plus, Hampton Bay Cameron 2, Hampton Bay Callaway, Hunter Coastal Breeze Plus, Hunter Stratford. My grandparents had one exactly matching to that one. Hunter Original. Sorry if my phone's starting to lag. Hampton Bay Waterton, Hampton Bay Princeton, Hampton Bay Bridgeton, Hampton Bay Pearl, Hampton Bay St. Clair, Hampton Bay Tiffany Cardinal, Hampton Bay Jericho 2, Hampton Bay Minuet 2, Hampton Bay Landmark, Hampton Bay Grayton 1.5 or something, Hampton Bay Reddington 2 or 3, I don't know, Hampton Bay Gazebo, Hampton Bay Huntington 2, they're talking about that. That's the remote I want for one of my fans. So yeah guys, that's the 2000 Home Depot ceiling fan guide, and thank you for watching, bye.